Alright guys, come down and did a quick update on the booth. Put up some round griddles, some BSR breakfast skillets. Slide down through here. Got some cowboy skillets. Just some assorted lodges, mixes, and IKEA. And over here we've got the Buc-ee's, the Buck, the Cracker Barrel, the Black Walk. More Cracker Barrel. Put in an old Wagner 1057 up there. A Lodge. Got some Yellowstone. Got a couple of the patriotic ones. Got a brand new Dutch oven. Got a new Martha Stewart big oval roaster. Got a big TIG 1060 there. Got a 14 SK. Got some Griswolds, I believe a 7 and a couple of 6s. Got some old 3-notch. Got an old BSR back there. And then got your regular stacks and stacks of 3s and 5s and some 6s down there. We'll move up to the top row. Got some Dutch ovens up here. Come down here. Got some more Dutch ovens. And down here we've got some Le Creuset, a fryer, a BSR fryer. Got some more stuff down here. And then we'll shoot up here. Got some toys and some little skillets. Got some little guitars. Got a little wedge skillet. Got a long pan, some Turk pans. And then we'll spin around here. Got some camp ovens. Starting with the Texport, got BSR, some Lodges, got a big 14 shallow there, a couple of Poiky pots, some spiders, got a round bottom pot that's gate marked with the 8 and KR, I believe. And then we've got the improvised spider where somebody put a pole on it, which, hey, you got to do what you got to do. So there it is, guys. Hope everybody has a great one.